Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Carley Schroeder here, and I just wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who has hit the subscribe button and to become part of this incredible community. Your support means the world to me, and I am truly honored to be a part of your health and your wellness journey. Whether you have been following along since day one or you're a recent addition to this tribe, I want you to know that you are valued, appreciated, and cherished. As someone who is deeply passionate about holistic health and well-being, I am committed to providing you with high quality of content, education. I want to empower you and educate you to live your best life. So from mouth-watering recipes or a rejuvenating yoga flow, I'm here to support you every step of the way. So as we continue on this journey, I invite you to share your thoughts and insights and feedback in the comments below. Your voice truly matters here, and I'm here to listen and learn from each one of you. Thank you so much for your unwavering support and continuing to cultivate this community of love and support and empowerment. Until the next time, take care.